Think fast. Can you crack this magic square? Stay tuned. I'll show you how in easy steps. What is magic square? A magic square is a square grid which each row, column, and two main diagonals all add up to the same number, the magic constant or the magic sum. Today, we'll solve a 3 by 3 step by step and share tricks that work for bigger squares. In this square, we have 9 small boxes. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The rule is simple. Every row, column, and diagonal must have the same total. In this magic square puzzle, we're given three numbers at the bottom. We have 15, 20, 13. First, let's add them. 15 plus 20 plus 13 equals 48. That is our first clue. Next, to find the answers for the other boxes, we'll try adding and subtracting numbers in different parts of the grid, making sure each row, column, and diagonal also adds up to 48. If we add 19 and 15, we get 34. So how much more do we need to reach a total of 48? So the next step is to subtract 48 minus 34. The answer is 14. So if we add 19 plus 14 plus 15, the result is 48. Now let's have the top row. We have 19 and 17. So if we add 19 and 17, we get 36. Now let's find how much more to reach 48. So if 19 plus 17 is 36, now we subtract 48 minus 36 and we get 12. So 19, 12 plus 17 equals 48. Now, for this column, we have 17 and 13. So if we add 17 and 13, the result is 30. Now, how much more to reach 48? So we subtract the result of 17 and 13, which is 30, to 48. So 48 minus 30 equals 18. So we have 17, 18, and 13. And if we add 17, 18, 13, the result or the total is 48. Now it's time to solve the missing number in the box. So let's add 20 and 12. 12 plus 20 equals 32. So how much more to reach 48? So we need to subtract 48 minus 32. And the result is 16. Therefore, the answer to the question is 16. If we add 12, 20, and 16, the result is 48. And for the diagonal, 19 plus 16 is 13 is 48. 15 plus 16 plus 17 equals 48. So the magic number, the magic sum is 48. Great job, everyone! We completed the magic square and made sure every row, column, and diagonal adds up to 48. This shows how numbers can work together in perfect balance, just like teamwork in solving puzzles. Keep practicing and you'll keep getting sharper. So that's all for now and thank you for watching. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow for more.